is something that nobody warns me about is becoming a better person can feel incredibly lonely. Not because you are failing, but because you are changing. And change has this funny way of making your old life feels unfamiliar. Maybe this has happened to you. Your phone feels quieter than it's used to. You open Instagram and you see everyone is laughing together while you are sitting in your room and wondering, did they forget about me? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Because today I want to explain you something that I wish someone had told me sooner. Sometimes loneliness is not a sign that you are losing. Sometimes it's a sign that you are growing. So before we talk about how to deal with it, we need to understand why this happened to us. If you don't know me, hi, I am Iram Sapi. And if you want to be the best version of yourself, not from the outside, but in your mind too, subscribe because every week we grow together. Growth does not start with big decision. It starts with small ones. You decide to wake up early, you decide to read a book every day. At first, nothing seems different, but after a while, you start noticing something. Conversation you used to enjoy won't excite you anymore. Hours of scrolling feels like wasted of time. And you start questioning yourself that why don't I fit in anymore? But here's the answer. Because you are not the same person you were 6 months ago. Imagine you are wearing a shoes that fit you when you were 10 years old. Would you blame your feet for growing? Of course not. Then why are you blaming yourself for outgrowing your old habits or even old friendships? First, you need to understand when your priorities changes, not everyone change with you. Some friends understand, but some don't. Maybe they say, you have changed, or you don't have time for us anymore. And I know that those words hurts you because you are still caring about them. But here's something I learned is not everyone who walks with you is meant to be walk with you forever. Some people are a part of one chapter, not the whole book. I know that it's harsh to accept because we want everyone to stay, but life doesn't work like that. Think about a school. Every year we meet new people. Some become close friends and some don't. And the year ends. People moves in different directions. That doesn't mean that those friendships were fake. That means that people grow. Life moves. And sometimes we have to let it. There is a mistake that many people make is they start thinking that maybe I should stop growing so that people won't leave. Please don't do that. The people who truly care about you won't be afraid of your growth. They will cheer for it. And the one who don't, never asking to be yourself. They are asking you to stay that version that is convenient for them. That's the big difference. Feeling lonely, they start doing one of two things. Okay, let's take example of two persons. The first person gives up. They start saying yes to everything. They go back to their old habits just so they don't feel left out. And the second person does the opposite. They build walls. They tell themselves that I don't need anyone. But neither one is the answer. Independent does not mean pushing everyone away. It means choosing people who bring peace in your life instead of pressure. You don't need 100 of friends. You need a person who clap for you when you win, not the person who become quiet when you do. And until those people come into your life, learn to enjoy your own company. Because when you can't spending 1 hour with yourself, how can you expect that someone else spend their whole life with you? That question can change the way I look at loneliness. Every beautiful things grow quietly. A seed doesn't become a tree overnight. It spends years underground where nobody claps, nobody notices, nobody even know that it's growing. But one day it breaks through the ground. your life is no difference. Right now it might feels like nobody sees your hard work. You are doing everything, but there is nobody who claps for you. Right now it might feel like nobody is noticing your hard work. You are doing everything, but nobody is cheering for you. And that's okay. Not every season is meant to be seen. Some seasons are meant to build you. So stop asking, why is nobody noticing me? Start asking, am I becoming the person that I am proud of? Because that's the question that actually matters. Imagine meeting yourself 5 years from now, the future version of you. Did you think that she had tell you that go back, stay small, keep making other people happy? Or would she smile and says, thank you for not giving up. Thank you for choosing yourself every time. Thank you for saying no when everyone else says yes. Thank you for believing in yourself when nobody else did. The life you want is not built in the loud moments. It built on the quiet moment. That's where your future is created. So if you have feeling lonely lately, I don't want you to think that something is wrong with me. Instead, ask yourself, what is this season is trying to teach me? Maybe it's trying to teach you patience, it's trying to teach you confidence, it's trying to teach you that your happiness can depend on who stays or who leaves, because the relationship you will have for the rest of your life is the relationship you have with yourself. So take care of that relationship. And before you leave, I want you to answer one question in the comment. What's one dream you are still holding on to even when nobody believes in it? I read all the comments and I want this community to become the place where we remind each other to not give up. If this video made you feel understood, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, the lonely season you are in today might be the chapter that introduces the strongest version of you tomorrow.